It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey everyone! Do your headphones look worn out and outdated? Scratches, peeling cushions, and faded colors making them look ancient? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you how to make your old headphones look brand new again with easy and budget-friendly fixes. So let's get started. Step 1. Clean the headphones. First things, let's give these headphones a good clean. You'll need a microfiber cloth, some rubbing alcohol, and a soft brush. Use the cloth to wipe off dirt and fingerprints. For stubborn stains, dampen the cloth with rubbing alcohol and gently clean the surface. Don't forget the ear cups and headband. Step 2. Replace or fix ear cushions. One of the biggest signs of wear is peeling ear cushions. If yours look like this, it's time to replace them. You can buy replacement cushions online. Just pop the old ones off and snap the new ones in place. Easy. If they're just slightly worn, you can also use fabric glue to fix peeling edges. Step 3. Restoring the headband. The headband takes a lot of wear and tear, but you can fix it easily. Wrap it with a headband cover or soft leather fabric. Use electrical tape or self-adhesive vinyl for a sleek finish. If it's foam, replace or repad it using soft sponge material. This is not just for looks, it also adds extra durability and comfort. Step 4. Polishing and removing scratches. If your headphones have scratches, here's how to fix them. For plastic parts, apply a small amount of petroleum jelly or plastic polish and buff with a microfiber cloth. For metal parts, use a bit of metal polish and gently rub in circular motions. For matte finishes, a magic eraser works wonders to remove scuffs without damaging the texture. Step 5. Fixing and protecting cables. Cable problems? Don't worry, here's how to fix them. Wrap them neatly using a spiral cable protector. Use heat shrink tubing or electrical tape to prevent further damage. Clean charging ports with a toothpick or compressed air. This not only makes them last longer, but also keeps them looking clean and organized. Step 6. Paint or wrap for a fresh look. If your headphones look dull, give them a makeover with spray paint or vinyl wraps. Use masking tape to cover areas you don't want to paint. Choose a color you love and spray light, even coats. If you want something less permanent, use vinyl wrap for a stylish, scratch-resistant finish. Here's the bonus tip for you. Personalizing your headphones. Now that your headphones look fresh, why not add a personal touch? Stickers and decals. Custom vinyl stickers give a unique look. Fabric wraps. Use cool patterns or leather for a sleek finish.